if you're starting out, really a lot of people get stuck on the design side of things and product selection. That stuff is all easy. If your objective is to make millions of dollars, as John stated, you want to work with an expert, you want to work with an agency, you want to find one expert and follow their advice because there's a lot of technical stuff here. There is your development, your mobile, your desktop, conversion optimization, integrations. And that's if your objective is to make millions of dollars. Now, John, what if I am a single mom and I just want to start something and I want to make $5,000, $6,000 a month? What if that's the case? What would you advise all those individuals who are not making millions of dollars, but they want to make some sort of income?
Okay, so in this case, if you're a single mom looking to get some volume out of this, there's a lot of different places you can go, but if you're looking to make millions of dollars, that's a whole different strategy. If you're a single mom, you probably want to look at places that are a little easier to manage, like marketplaces, for instance, like Facebook Marketplace or Amazon or something just like that.
Etsy, for example.
Or Etsy, exactly. Pinterest, things like that. So they're a little easier to manage. You can do them in lower volume, and you still get some sort of like a user base that could be generated from that and that you could build off of.
Yeah. Now, if you're starting out, really a lot of people get stuck on the design side of things and product selection. That stuff is all easy. Really the marketing side of it, building the brand and building traffic and targeted traffic and having people become excited about your product is really the difficult part.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel for more videos on marketing, e-commerce, custom development, and much more. Plus, new episodes of Surge, our weekly e-commerce and digital marketing podcast released every Wednesday.